Want to know how to create an agent in AgentGPT that gives you a step-by-step tutorial on a specific topic? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now once you're here, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. That is on our channel. So now once you're here, you should be under the home page right here. And now under your name, you can just simply type in anything. So on the prompt, you can just simply type in this small prompt that should help. And now once after hit enter, as you can see right here, it should start executing your agent for you, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you create an agent that guides you step by step on a specific topic. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.